Effortlessly manage your trainers and their profiles with these simple steps. Step 1. Navigate to the Trainers tab. Open the left-hand menu and click the Trainers tab to access the Trainer Management section, where you can view, add, and edit trainer profiles. Step 2. Add new trainers. To add a new trainer, click the Add Trainer button and fill out the simple form. Whether it's a new hire or someone from your organization, ensure all relevant details are entered. Step 3. Create detailed trainer profiles. After adding a trainer, customize their profile with their name, bio, expertise, and contact details. You can also upload a professional photo for a polished look. Step 4. Edit or delete trainer profiles. To update or remove a trainer, hover over their profile, click the 3 vertical dots, and choose to either edit or delete their information. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can easily manage your trainers' profiles and ensure they are set up for success.